Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to start blocking out the head. So this cannot be done in the one video, so I will make 2 to 3 videos and complete the head. So in this lecture we will start by creating from the eye, and in next video we will start with the lip portion. So to create the eye, first we will create a sphere and then bring the sphere up by pressing W, or come here and select the move tool, then take it up and keep where the eye is located. So I will keep it approx here, and from the side view you can bring it here, and you can see the eye is a little bit curvature from the side view. So we have to scale the sphere for this. So press R and then scale it from the middle, press W. So you can scale it more, little bit more. This much is enough. So keep it here where you see the curvature of the eye. This much is okay. So after doing this, now we have to create the skin portion which is surrounded by the eye. So you can see some of the area of the skin is surrounded by the eye, so we need to create that. So for doing that we need to create that skin near the eye. So to do that we should select the sphere and then make the sphere live, so that whatever we create on this sphere will be created on its faces. So to do that, select this and then come to modify and then select make live option. So after making the object live, now if I go to mesh tool and then select create polygon, and now if I create anything, press W, you can see that the polygon which I have created now, actually the pivot point of this polygon has came down in the middle of the grid. So I can make it center here, and then if I move this out, you can see this is coming here. Okay, so we can do this. If we want, if I don't want this polygon, I want to create something else. So again, by selecting this object sphere, I'm not able to select the sphere because this has been made live now. That is why. So to we can also see this live option here. So I am not able to see the status line. If you are also not able to see the status line, you can click on workspace and then reset current workspace so that you can see the status line, and then now you can select the sphere, or else you can come out of the live mode by clicking on this icon. This icon is for same like if you use the make live, make not live, you can see now this option has been off. So after selecting the sphere you can make it live by clicking on this icon. So now I will come in the front view, and coming to the front view I will make it live again, and now create the surrounding skin. So click on mesh tool and then create polygon. So I need to create points at every 90 degree, at every 45 degrees. So first I will create at 0, then at 45, and then at 90 degree, again 45 degree, then 90 degree, then again 45 degree, then 90 degree, then again 45 degree. After creating here we can directly press W to make it join. So I have created this part, and if I go to the perspective view and press 4, you can see that I have created one plane here in this way. So from this edge I need to create the skin part. So we can isolate this by pressing Ctrl+1. If the surface is selected from the outliner or from here, then we can press Ctrl+1, or else we can click here to isolate it. So after isolating it, again press 5 for the shaded mode and 4 for the wireframe mode. So I will press 5 for wireframe mode, and then right click on it and then go to edge mode, select the overall edge, and then again press Control 1, or else come here and click on this. Now we can extrude it by going to edit mesh and then clicking on extrude. Else if you are in edge mode and if you hold shift and right click, you can see one option called extrude edge. So if you are in edge mode, the all the components will show related to the edge mode. So now I will click on extrude edge and then extrude the edge by clicking in this way. You can see in the side view how we are doing. And you have to pull it from y-axis, not x and z-axis. Coming to the side view, now you can click on this switch option. If you click on this, it will change to world, and then now you can click on the z-axis and then bring it back in this way. After bringing this back, again come to the perspective view and see. So I will click on the isolate option so I can isolate it, and then go to face mode. I don't want this middle face, so I will delete it. If you click on this option isolate, so now you can see that I am able to see all the part. And if I go to object mode and press 3 selecting this, so this is going, the skin is going inside the eye, so I need to select the inside edge. So I will go to the edge mode and then select this edge. Turn off the soft selection by pressing B. If you are in the soft selection mode, then press B to turn off that. And now by pressing 5 and come out of the smooth mode, and then by pressing R you can scale it. If you scale it from, I'm not able to scale it properly because of this live mode. So come out of this live mode, make the selected object live, turn off that option, and now you can see I am scaling it in proper way. So press 3 to see. Okay, so now it is surrounded by the eyeball. The skin is surrounded by the eyeball. So again come out of that and go to object mode, and selecting this you can press 1. Now I want to extrude this overall skin, so press Ctrl+E and then extrude it. Selecting this Z axis, bring it inside in this way, and then go to object mode again. So I am able to see that all the skin area is been converted to black polygons. So reverse that. So to reverse that, we can select this, and inside mesh display we can click on reverse option, so that it will reverse the polygons, and now you can see that the polygons has been converted into gray color. In the reference you can see that if I isolate this selected part, sorry, you can see that the eyeball is a little bit in V shape from here. And coming to the front view also, you can see it is, we have a corner at 90 to 90 degree, 90 to 180 degree. So in the same way we have to create in this also. So by selecting this and going to the top view, we can do. So I will select the skin area and then press Ctrl plus 1, and right click and go to vertex mode. Select this 4 vertex and select the bottom 4 vertex and bring it forward little bit. Press W and then bring it forward here. Again select this vertices and then select this vertices. After selecting this from the top view, you can bring this a little bit forward in this way. Select this and bring it more forward here. Whenever you select from the top view, make sure that you are selecting both the vertices from the top and from the bottom. And now again turn off the isolation mode. So now it has been done properly, and you can press 3 to see this. So I have covered the skin. We can select the vertex from here and then bring it little bit down here, same as it is. Select the vertices from here and bring it little bit up. Now press 3. So it has been covered now. Press 1 again, and we don't need this back portion of the skin. So go to face mode, select the skin area, then in the blank area you can right click and then go to face mode. Select one face and by holding shift click twice on the other face, so that all the faces will be selected in this ring, and then press delete to delete it. We don't need these faces here. We will not going to see the back portion of the skin from inside, and from this edge we will create the overall skin of the, which is covering the eye portion from here, you can see. So right click and go to edge mode, select this and go to edge mode and double click on this edge, so that it will select the overall in ring, and then you can extrude it. To extrude this, press Ctrl plus E and then extrude it in this direction and bring it little bit here. You can extrude it till this much. Okay, this much is enough. After extruding this, select this edge and make sure you scale this edge. So press R and scale this till here, because you can see that the eye with the skin which is near the eyeball, that is connected till here, the dark portion. So eyeshadow, this is the eyeshadow area. So you should scale it till this portion, and in the perspective view you can see this much is done. Then you need to work on some of the vertices. So go to the vertex mode and then move the vertices. Keep this vertex a little bit. You can select it from here and then bring it here near the eyebrow. So select this vertices and keep this vertex here. this vertex should be here little bit. Okay, so after doing this, you can select this vertex, and from the side view you can see that all the vertex are in straight lines. So after selecting this vertex from the side view, you need to bring it back, and you can bring it till here. Select this vertex from the front view, and then in this viewport you should bring it little bit here, take it up. This top vertex should come here. Select this vertex, and from here you should bring it somewhere here in this way, and this vertex will come down little bit, and then bring it out something like this. You can pull this also little bit down, and in this way. In the perspective view you can see that this area is going back, so the it will connect to the ear, so it will go back from here this side. And now you need to make some changes here also. You need to go in the edge mode, and not in the edge. First move this vertex little bit down, go to the edge mode and select this two edges and extrude it, pressing Ctrl plus E, and then extrude. By pressing W, directly move it in this direction, don't extrude it. After extruding it, press W and then move directly in this direction, X direction, and then press R and scale it in X direction so that it will be straight. And then after scaling it, you can turn on this option called snap to grid, and after turning on this option, press W and snap it in the middle. So after snapping this grid, you need to work on the vertices. So we will move this vertex, we'll move this vertex a little bit here, turn off the snap to grid option, and now work on this. We'll keep this vertex somewhere here, and then select this vertex and bring it somewhere here a little bit down. Okay, so after this is done, we'll select the vertex, these three vertexes, and we can see that the nose area is here, so we have to pull this three vertex from there till here, and then select this vertex and bring this more out in this curve shape, bring this little bit up here. After doing this, select this vertex also. So from here I will select this three vertices, and again go in the side view, and in the side view we need to bring this out somewhere here. You can see the eyeshadow area is in this way from here. So we need to bring this vertex here and then select this vertex and bring this more out somewhere here, and then keep this vertex here in this way. We need to keep this little bit up, this vertex also. This vertex should also come here somewhere. This vertex will also come little bit down. After making all these changes, again come in this view and then select all the edges. So I will select all the edges and I don't want this two edges to be selected. So hold control and then drag in this way so that you will deselect these two edges, and after deselecting this you can come to front view and then extrude the overall edges. You can turn off this option X-ray, press Ctrl plus E and then extrude it, Ctrl plus E and then extrude in this direction. So you need to extrude it till here and then press Ctrl plus don't press anything, just go to the vertex mode and arrange all the vertex. Select this vertex and press W. After selecting this vertex, you make sure that it comes near the grid. So turn on this option, snap to grid and bring it here. Same as it is, this vertex should be also on the grid. And after this snapping is done, you can turn off this option. And now turn on this X-ray mode again and then select this vertices and move this properly. So we need to bring it somewhere here in this way. Select this vertex and then bring it here. Select this vertex and keep it here. Select this vertex and let it be here only. Select this vertex and keep it here little bit, and then select this vertex and this should be straight here in this way. From the side view also it should be looking like this. So make sure from the side view your edges should look like this, and we can turn off. This vertex should come back. This vertex should come back here. Somewhere here it should be. And then this vertex should be somewhere here. From the side view, make sure that these two vertices from here of this eyes should come back, because here you see the pointed part of the eye. So this should come little bit here, and this vertices, deselect this, and this vertices should come little bit here. And from this angle, if you select this, and you can bring this out here somewhere. Okay, so do this till here, and then come out of the object mode and press 3. So you need to take out these two vertices, and same as it is this, and again press 3. They should not overlap with the eyeball. You can see we have blocked out the eye part, so you need to work on this and create till here. So see you in next video.